shooting fireworks out there. They started about 9:18 p.m. slowly, then a whole bunch, and then a little bit, and now this is July the 1st. They're getting a head start.
When your money's good, you feel good. The number one most loved bank app. And now please welcome Anna Montoya.
I don't know if I cut the light off, would it? I see the fireworks better.
Hello there, fellow students.
We don't have a case.
Busted. You seem to have some kind of filter on it.
I think better than a drink.
He made me look incompetent. Oh, wow.
Very mature.
I need to project a professional image.
Family Law, season premiere this Friday at 8/7 Central on the CW.
I really believe that in my spirit and in my heart.
Then you should be on. I'm underneath the microscope all the time.
Tamron Hall, weekdays at 3 on WGNT 27.
Nothing mattered more than getting my fix. I was on the verge of being homeless. My house was being foreclosed on. It took everything that I had. I did this to myself. It just takes work.
Learn more.
Oh shoot. Man, very funny time.
Nancy, snack time.
Oh man, very fun. Everybody's getting a head start on the fireworks. This is July the 1st. And tomorrow Ned Davis is gonna, and the choir and everybody's gonna do a Independence Day thing. And then Sunday night is the teens' testimonies back from the Wilds Christian Camp. Wilds.org. The juniors will do their testimony too, but it won't be in the main church. It'll be in the fellowship hall. And both will be shown, the Wilds video footage and the Edge Christian Camp. Very funny. For a minute I thought that was Banshee. I think more fireworks went as you snapped your finger. July 1st, year 2023. Masters of Illusion. Penteller Forest. America's Got Talent with Young Magicians and Ryan Petty and some others. Ryan Petty. And he's been on British Got Talent too. He does Rubik's Cubes too, so does his dad, Craig Petty.
If you ever see me asleep and was content as that puppy is, it's in your best interest to leave me that way or what?
Papa talks about coming back to television, but I don't know when. He went from the Magic ABC to CBS, the Magic at David Copperfield. They'll probably shoot more fireworks.